If you want to show or hide notification content in lock screen on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, look for notifications and status bar. And let's open these settings. And then you want to tap on lock screen over here. Now in here, you should be able to go to format, and then you can decide to show notifications but hide content. So you can still see notifications on the lock screen, and you can see from which apps you got these notifications, but you won't see details of that notification, of these notifications actually. And if you want to show the content, then of course you want to choose show notification and content instead. Now, in addition to that, if we go to specific apps over here, you should be able to find lock screen notifications, which can be of course enabled and disabled for specific apps in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.